Magandang araw ho sa ating mga kababayan at sa ating mga kapatid na nasa Department of Education. Narito ho ang update para sa SARO, no, sa Special Allotment Release Order galing sa DBM para sa Performance-Based Bonus or PBB 2022. Nadagdagan ho ang mga paaralan mula sa Region 11 at saka pasok na din ho yung Region 10 dito sa SARO. Tingnan ho natin. Alright, so makikita ho natin dito na yung naidagdag is Region 10. So, kasali na ho ang Region 10. Meron na ho silang SARO para sa kanilang PBB sa 2022. So, narito ho, tingnan natin. We have the Division of Lanao del Norte. So, ayan, makikita ho natin dyan. Congratulations ng Lanao del Norte. They have 81.9 million pesos para sa kanilang mga paaralan sa kanilang division. Meron din tayo from Division of Tangob City. They have 12.5 million. Meron din tayo from Division of Misamis Oriental, 55.2 million. We also have Division of Osamis City, 20.3 million. That's okay. So congratulations to the Division of Lanao del Norte, Division of Tangob City, Division of Misamis Oriental, Division of Osamis City, all from Region 10 ho yan. We also have Division of Orokira City, 14 million. So, dami na hong mga na-release na mga PBB. Yung ibang mga regions humahabol. Okay? Darating din yan para sa inyo. Then we also have Division, still on Region 10 ho tayo. Division of Gingog City, 23.7 million. Excuse me. We also have Division of Misamis Oriental, 109.3 million. Division of Cagayan de Oro City, 66.3 million. Okay. Meron na ho tayong SARO dyan. We also have, still from Region 10, Division of El Salvador City. So, congratulations. Then, we also have Division, still on Region 10, Division of Bukidnon. Congratulations, Division of Bukidnon. We also have Division of Valencia City. Congratulations. We also have Division of Malaybalay City. We also have Division of Iligan City. Dami na ho dito mga division ng um, Region 10. Yun ho ang mga division ng Region 10 na meron na silang Special Allotment Release Order para sa kanilang PBB 2022. Then meron na tayong mga additional schools mula sa Region 11. We have Tibanba National High School, San Isidro National High School, or we have Manuel B. Guinness Senior National High School, Luzon National High School, Lupon Vocational High School, Lupon National Comprehensive High School, Katiil Vocational High School, Region 11 ata to. We also have, Region 11, Katiil National Agricultural High School. We also have Caraga National High School, Baganga, sorry how to read this, Baganga National High School. We also have Division of Davao Oriental. We also have Pindasan National High School, Pantuka National High School, New Bataan National High School. What else? New Bataan. We also have Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School, Monte National High School, Moncayo National High School, Manat National High School, Maragusa National High School, Mainit National High School, Mabini National High School. Lahat ho ito ng mga schools, can we make it a little bit bigger? Kasi ano, medyo maliit lang talaga. Sige, tingnan natin if we can make the window a little bit bigger. Okay, ayan. So, that's Mabini National High School. The last is Mabini National High School. Mabini. Next is, we've got Lorenzo National High School. Lorenzo S. Sarmiento Senior National High School. Laak National High School. Region 11 ho ito, dagdag na mga schools dyan sa Region 11 na meron na hong SARO for PBB 2022. Gabi National High School. Compostela National High School. Parang Cebu ito. But this is the Region 11. Compostela National High School. Attorney Orlando S. Rimando National High School. Anibunga National High School. Andili National High School. Then, the Division of Davao de Oro. Ito yung division na merong namatay na teacher, ano? Itong Division of Davao de Oro. So, meron na din silang PBB 2022. Then, Matiao National High School. Matiao or Matiao. Mati School of Arts and Trades. Mati National Comprehensive High School. Dawan National High School. Badas National High School. Division of Mati City. Okay, so yan ho na mga schools from the division of Region 11. Pero meron din tayo ditong iilan from the division of, this is PBB of Region 6, Fort Santiago. Fort San Pedro, not Santiago. Fort San Pedro National High School. Meron din tayo dito from Region 11. Samal National High School. Nieves Villarica National High School. Mambago B National High School. Division of Island Garden City of Samal. Again, this is from Region 11. We also have Iha National High School. Region 11 din ito. Governor N. Llanos National High School. Padada National High School. Santa Cruz National High School. Suluk National High School. Inawaya National High School. Marber. Let's check it here. Let's move it. Where's Marber? Marber here. I was thinking na yung sikat na PNP chief, yung kasama ni na Abalos doon sa Davao, si Marbil para yan. Marber para ito. Marber National High School. We also have Gorgonio Tajo Senior National High School. Doña Carmen Denia National High School. Region 11. Division of Davao Occidental. Matanao National High School. Hagunoy National High School. Federico Yap National High School. Davao del Sur School of Fisheries, Davao del Sur School of Fisheries. Then, this is still in Region 11. Barayong National High School, Division of Davao del Sur, Division of Davao del Norte, Santo Niño National High School, Santo Tomas National High School, Sawata National High School, Sagayen National High School, New Corilla National High School. I thought it's Bohol, Corilla, Bohol, but this is New Corilla, this is in Region 11. Quimamo National High School, Kapalong National High School, Duhali National High School, Carmen National High School, Asuncion National High School, Antonio B. Fruto Senior National High School. Okay. Next, we have sana ba to? So, madami-dami din ito. Meron din tayo dito, Region 6 na to. Region 6. Ramon Avancenia National High School. Melchor Nava National High School. Mando Riao National High School. La Paz National High School. Haro National High School. Oh, I love Iloilo. Haro National High School. Then, Halandoni Memorial National High School. Iloilo City National High School. Barrio Obrero National High School, former Halandoni Memorial National High School, Barrio Obrero Extension, Division of Iloilo City. So ito I guess tapos na to, Region 11. Balik na tayo dyan sa Division ng Davao City. So, ayan ho yung mga divisions na meron na hong saro para sa kanilang PBB 2022. Congratulations sa lahat. Magandang araw ho.